So guys, we want to start doing more moves from the ground on the TRX. It's called ground facing anchor point when your eyes are facing the anchor, and ground facing away from anchor when you're looking away from the wall. And so I'm just going to take some time to show you guys how to get in and out properly. So with all these moves, the handle should be at your knee. We call that mid-calf because the foot cradle is mid-calf. Okay? So first I'm going to show you ground facing away from anchor point. And so what we want to see is you on your back with the TRX slightly taut. If the TRX is loose, it's going to be really hard to get into. So you want to kind of have that tension on there. And we're doing ground facing away, so just pick your feet up both at the same time. So it's nice, fast, and efficient. We can do it in 10 seconds. And just drop it over your feet. That's the move. All right, and then you just rotate, and I'll just repeat that. You're just gonna have up here, and I'm just gonna lead with that left foot to the right. Come on in here, and now we can do a whole bunch of moves in here, okay? With the TRX, which is great, okay? Now, if you're struggling with that, don't do this, all right? Don't try to get in from your butt, even 1 foot at a time, because you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna take the other foot out. Always from your back, but if you struggle doing both feet at once, right, just try to do 1 foot at once. And because you're on your back, it's easier to keep your feet up so it doesn't fall off. And then do the other foot, okay? And then twist around, and you're in the right position. The only other option, again, don't try from your butt. It's just a waste of time. You gotta get on your back. The only other option is to do one at a time this way, but I find this harder. It takes more time. Okay, that's your third option, but the one option you're not allowed to do is from your butt. We call that burpee butt, because you sit on your butt here, you get burpees. Okay, so now that was ground facing away from anchor point. Now, facing anchor point, so my eyes on there, is very similar, except instead of dropping over my toes, I'm just gonna put my heels in, drop them in, and now we can do adductions, okay? And hamstring curls, a whole bunch of things. So again, just repeating that one last time. All right, if you need to do it 1 foot at a time, you gotta get your heel in there and then keep tension on it, right? So if you're too close, you won't be able to get the tension. It'll be harder, okay? And that's that. That way we can do more of these moves when we have shorter rests. You gotta get in and out fast. Thanks a lot, guys.